A lot of people believe that growing root vegetables on a balcony is nearly impossible. You will hear things like your carrots will never go straight, your potatoes won't have enough room, or containers are too shallow for anything underground. But the truth is, most of that is a myth. With the right varieties and the right containers, root vegetables can thrive even in a small urban space. So today, I want to share the 5 best underground vegetables you can confidently grow in pots. These crops handle limited depth, adapt well to containers, and can give you surprisingly generous harvest. And I will also share the key factors that determines whether your roots grow long, straight, and healthy. Let's get into the top 5. First on the list are radishes. They are not just fast, they are naturally shallow-rooted, which makes them perfect for containers. Radishes only need about 50 cm of soil depth, so even a simple window box can produce crisp, flavorful roots in a matter of weeks. Next are round carrots. Traditional long carrots struggle in pots, but round varieties like Paris Market or Thumbelina are designed for small spaces. They grow wide instead of long, reach full size quickly, and do incredibly well in shallower, wider containers. Third are scallions or green onions. This might feel like cheating because you harvest the tops, but they are still root vegetables. And they are perfect for balconies. They require very little depth, you can plant them densely and they regrow after each cut. They are one of the most efficient, low-effort crops you can grow. Fourth are beets. They don't need as much depth as people think. About 30 cm of soil is enough. And what makes them special is that you get a dual harvest. The greens are edible and incredibly nutritious, and the root bulbs develop underneath without fuss. They also handle slight crowding better than many other root crops. And finally, potatoes. These do require deeper space, but that doesn't mean you need a heavy or bulky pot. Grow bags or fabric containers are ideal because they let you heal up the soil easily as the plant grows. This vertical method encourages more tubers and is perfect for maximizing production on a balcony. Now the real secret behind all root vegetables in containers is the soil. You need a very light, hairy, sandy potting mix. Dense or compacted soil will stop roots from growing properly. Carrots and beets will fork or become stunted if they eat clumps or rocks. Your mix should feel almost like beach sand, loose, clean, and easy for roots to push through. And now you know exactly which root vegetables you can grow successfully in a small space. If you want more simple, practical advice to help you grow your own food on a balcony, make sure to subscribe. I share new tips every week to help you get great results, even with just a few pots. Happy gardening!